Let's start. Why go to an office when you can stay at home just like me and make more money than actually being at the office? And also, you don't get the cons of being at an office. You have less time being sick and less time wearing a mask. You spend less money for food because you eat at home. You have less time needed to commute for transport and also no money wasted, and also probably less clothes. I'm not saying that you go to work naked, even though in the summer, pajamas. I don't care. If you're interested in all that, in this video you'll learn about some data entry jobs that work from home. And before we start, you gotta make sure you give this video a like. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So subscribe if you're new, because me and my team, we're 3 people, me and 2 video editors, try to produce up to 3 videos every single day for you. And you know what? I can even shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, or YouTube account in the comment section down below. Take it, put it in the shout out jar because you are awesome, and then shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so the first thing you definitely need to know is that for data entry jobs, you gotta know how many words you can type. So I have a free website here. It's called typing-speed-test.aoeu.eu. Okay, the domain is weird, but it's worth it because it's free. As you can see here, it will say words per minute or CPM. I have no idea what that is in data entry jobs. Oh, here it is, characters per minute. So give you the statistics because a lot of companies will need them for you. So if you click start, use war, picture, able, about, example, but, near, early, under, standard, war, in, my, went, paint, moon, possible, code, hour, and you basically do that for a minute, for 60 seconds, you get your CPM or words per minute. So it's either characters, each letter is a character, or word, each word counts as one. So you need all that to know when you're applying. The second thing you can actually do is just Google data entry jobs or check on one of these 5 sites. If you don't like those, you can also Google some others. So as you can see here, the employment, there's a scam alert. We are aware of various email scams soliciting people or to apply for a position with Axion. So all you gotta do is submit something here. You have your years of experience. If you have none, you can do 0 to 3. This is the first one, actiondata.com/employment. The second one is actually clickworker.com/clickwork, and you can easily apply also from the app, so you can search it there, and they pay you for a bunch of stuff like even app testing, photo capturing, video recording, audio recording. There's a lot of stuff. Like Clickworker is a really good website. And then you have Landbridge. So if you click on how it works, they say they are a growing group of people who choose to work in the cloud on our terms, night or day. Yeah, that's exactly what you want to do. The pay, do I have to pay to join? No, you don't have to do anything. You just click join the smart crowd and apply. If this video again helped you out, make sure you give it a like because it really helps out. As I said, we're a team of 3 people, so we try to produce as much content, the highest quality content we can, for the best topics that you're interested in. If you appreciate it, also subscribe. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial advice. This is no medical advice. Do your own due diligence and results can vary. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.